Hindi lahat ng pogi pasok sa performance. Pero itong sasakyan na to, pogi na, performer pa. Hi, I'm Janet Barcia from Mitsubishi Paco Otis, Manila Main Branch. So in this video, samahan niyo ako as we check out this new subcompact crossover SUV na built for city drives, long trips, and everything in between. So this is the 2025 Mitsubishi X-Force GLS Automatic. So, let's start with the exterior. Unang tingin pa lang, panalo na sa sporty and futuristic design. The 2025 X-Force features Mitsubishi signature new generation dynamic shield design. Ang kanyang headlights, daytime running light, and fog lights are all LED. For the rear, meron na din siyang LED tail lamps and spoiler para sa sportier finish. Sa side mirror, naka-electric adjust and power folding. For the specifications, for the overall length, meron itong 4,319mm. Sa width, meron itong 1,810mm. For the height, 1,660mm. Wheelbase of 2,650mm. At ground clearance of 193mm. For the gross vehicle weight, meron itong 1,730 kg. Curb weight of 1,235 kg. Seating capacity of 5 persons. And fuel tank capacity of 42 liters. Sa engine naman, for the model and type, it has 1.5 liter inline, 4 double overhead camshaft, 16 valves, gasoline with Maybach 4A91. Maximum power of 105 PS by 6,000 RPM and maximum torque of 141 Nm by 4,000 RPM. For the transmission, continuously variable transmission or CVT. Equipped with engine start-stop button. And one of the selling points ng X-Force ay ang kanyang 4 drive modes. Normal, wet, gravel, and mud. And also equipped with drive sport. For the parking brake, naka-electric type with brake auto-hold function. Sa suspension naman, sa front, MacPherson strut with coil spring and stabilizer. Sa rear ay torsion ring. Sa brake, sa front, ventilated disc at sa rear ay solid disc. For the tires and wheels, meron tong tires na 225 by 50 R18 and wheels na 18 inches two-tone alloy. For the steering wheel, naka-electric power steering with 3-spoke leather wrap and equipped with steering wheel mounted, audio control and tilt and telescopic adjustment. For the multimedia system, meron itong 12.3 inches smartphone with display audio, touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports and AM/FM radio. Sa USB ports, sa front and rear meron dalawang klase, isang Type A at isang Type C. And the best part ay ang kanyang dynamic sound Yamaha Premium with 8 speakers, parang concert sa loob ng sasakyan. Choose between 4 sound type settings: lively, signature, powerful, and relaxing. Kaya kung music lover ka, this one is for you. For the air conditioning system, naka-dual zone automatic with Nano X and equipped with center console with cooler. Sa driver side, sa seats, naka 6-way manual adjustable with convenience hook and seat back pocket. And sa front passenger, naka 4-way manual adjustable. Merong under seat tray sa front passenger side and seat material is black and gray fabric. Sa cargo space, naka dual level. Meron itong length na 660mm, width na 1060mm, at height na 439mm. For the safety, meron itong 4 airbags sa driver side, passenger side, at sides, and of course, seat belts. Other safety features are ISOFIX and tether anchor, hill start assist, active stability and traction control, and active yaw control. Sa looks pa lang, X-Force already stands out. But when you drive into its features, comfort, safety, and performance, mapapawaw ka talaga. So if you are interested, please contact me at 0968-70-94944. That is my personal contact number as well as my Viber and WhatsApp. Once again, this is Jeanette Basha from Mitsubishi Paco Otis, Manila Main Branch. See you!